Watch carefully, we'll blanch the popcorn in a pot of boiling water. The best part is when the rice is cooked through. A new way to eat it, sweet and crispy. The more you chew, the more fragrant it becomes, but we can't cook it for too long, probably. It only took about 30 seconds, and then we scooped it up like this. We scalded the popcorn mainly to remove pesticide residues, dust and impurities from its surface. Our blanched rice is cleaner and more hygienic than washed rice. It's delicious. I felt more at ease and just left it aside naturally. After the rice has cooled down, cut it into pieces, and then add eggs. My rice is 1 Jin 500 g, so let's crack an egg into it. I like to eat rice with flowers. Older brother and sister. Be sure to save this video. After applying this layer of egg wash, the rice becomes much easier to coat with flour and wrapped. The powder doesn't easily fall off. The key point is that it's rubbed. The powder that comes out is drawn out. Now for the crucial part, we must add cornstarch. We have this layer of cornstarch now, in a bit. The drawing turned out very beautiful. Older brother, older sister, and uncle. Auntie, if you happen to come across this video, can you give me the frequency? Give me a like, follow, and I'll encourage and support you. It'll be convenient for you too. After. When I want to eat something but don't know how to cook it, I can quickly. I'm so glad I found this video, thanks. If you bring the camera and it captures my current state, that's fine. At this time, we put this flour rice. Pour it out. Come on, remove the excess starch on top. Next, we'll sift out the impurities. Then we'll fry this lotus root with rice. We must ensure the oil temperature is right. Maintain oil temperature at 50%. The oil temperature cannot be too high or too low. If the oil temperature is too low, this coating on top, the powder comes off very easily, so we just put the rice in like this. It can float up quickly once placed inside. The oil temperature is just right. At this point, we gently put the rice into the pan. Don't do it quickly. This oil is very easy to overflow. We shouldn't move it right after it's put in the pot. Give it a setting time of about 30 seconds. We use a spoon. Gently push it this step so that it can be heated. I fried it evenly for about 3 minutes. Look how evenly it's fried. When it's golden and crispy like this. At that time, let's pour it out. Controlling the oil content of the peanuts before coating them with sugar is crucial, especially when cooking the sugar. Especially regarding the ratio of sugar to water, let's start with a spoonful of white sugar. Add a little white sugar to the face, then add a spoonful of water using the same spoon. Their ratio is 2:2. One thing you must remember is that we'll use a medium-low heat to it. Slowly simmer the sugar. We'll divide it into several portions. 4 steps. The first step is water flipping. The second step is to coat the food with frosting. The third step is to make it into strands. The fourth step is what we usually stir fry. The caramel culling we use today is the same caramel culling used for braised pork. For the second layer of frosting, we must learn to observe the initial boiling point when making the sugar syrup. At the beginning, it was bubbling up with big, clear bubbles. But wait until we see this dense small. When the bubbles are slightly stringy, we fry them. Put all the good peanuts in. Turn off the fire and sprinkle some black sesame seeds inside. This will enhance the aroma, and then we'll quickly stir fry it while it's still hot. We put a sauce on each peanut. The surface is even. Hang this icing. The temperature of the icing we made dropped as the temperature of the icing continued to drop. The color of the icing is also. As the temperature completely drops, the skin becomes whiter and clearer. After that, we can take it out of the pot. Come and see the lamp holder. Is it crispy or not? It was exceptionally beautiful and a great success. At this point, we removed the excess sugar. If you want to eat sunflower seeds and peanuts after sifting out the seeds, you can do it like this. Use this trick on this fruit. If peanuts are worth 100 points, then you. How many points would you give me so I can taste this? It's crispy and crunchy, and it's especially delicious. The key is that it's very easy to make. If you like it, you can save it and try it. Give it a try. Follow me and you won't have any cooking mishaps.